Okay, my people, now welcome back to my channel. How una day? I hope una day fine. How everything? I hope everything day fine with una. For me, as una dey see, I day fine. I thank God for everything. My people, I don't come back again with another news, another ogbonge one. Wey be say, if you see this one, my people, it go chocolize you. If everywhere don't read, my people. I say only me one not go see this video. Make una also see this video, make una settle down, watch this video till the end. I beg my people also, if you never subscribe to this channel, what do you they wait for? As they subscribe, you could see more video like this one. Okay, my people, I beg, make una subscribe, like and share. For this junction, I go to leave una. Make una watch the video, and I go also see you now for the next one. Okay, my people, see you all. Stay blessed. Stay cool, and I love you all, and bye-bye.
Awo kan gbọ́dọ̀ no do ba bebo. E ma ya ni ka we yin we saga bebo we. Iyan ki swak pe saga fo abede na. E ma ya ni wa sila silo la dian. Iyan ame saga. Na we yin ki hiya yin ya hiya gbebe ba. O kan yin no kan yin ni. U da we u gbe no le ba re bugbe. So when no da wa be de na we no dian we. It's an advice to you. Use your wisdom on social network. Lue wisdom we. Any ya bag bo. Anybody no worry you bono ma we wala de wa u waro we agbo ta ro we agbo we. Emi no gba na my brother. Emi no gba bu de yari enu we ma bete cause he can do see e bono. Emi no gba my darling. Emi no gba because we can do re ma na ni do aro we we. Ruda we o vibe ko me ko gbe be dopa. Ma understand. So ibude e hiari enu. E ma ya ni kadu e go we yan ri oja e kwa bo egbe. Ni ya ma e titalu magun. Mo bi be ta la dia na we yan geleri oja e bo egbe. Yan mi o ba lo yo. Yan mi gbe lele. Yan mi ke mi be ba. A temptation no la bungbe. Odian we do your things, crack your joke. Those who love you will also comment on your video. Focus on your own live video. Akrake joke ma oni agi. Me joke ru wonu. We se me sagai because o deni ogwe. Na ba ahụ adore na manu we bully no we rovi. E ma ya ni ka we yan regret never na. Ogwe no da wa be de na. We aba be son. I go my brother like go regbe we mosegbe mosegbe ni ka veri owo ni. No ado ya adu ni mosegbe na. Ado ya adu ko sagori ya saga no man neneri benefit gi o. Anate belo we mi ya ye. E saga neri benefit gi o. Wa ya wa mi down. Ai gwezo ezo wala wo down. Ezo ri mi si gi o. O pa ma ya ba. O me ma ton mu wo. O me be ye be zo we gi wo. Wa ri obo ye mi egba because e saga no. Wa believe e wo ma ata. Wa so ari obo ye mi I ma gba wa ropa. Wo ye mi ya ni metalo ma wa de nese du na wo we. I ma ba wa. Every mega time of Basekive Mawa. Anyone waiting queen they talk one of them and butter them and go with. Every mega time of Baseki will tornado who were voting in Wahari Ojayo. This is just the beginning. Ojare de Bede would there. Yes, a Luba tornado. Before that 4 years, he came back. The mega time where a covenanting or Eredo State here. Eredo State. Ega no Baseki a time no me no ya dolo ya jinema no ya we ukbo we mi gugan ona ya riwa yo wa na atiki we milesi okuzebude e video ni yu ya reba ima ega wa na me e family togba ogba bogi gbajona ni me na time wa ne ke na de go Baseki no roge wa ga vote ni ugwa hinari yo jayo wa we bo ga no pe atai me ga ata we de me so egbe o vai ne be ma so egbe wa ga mune o ja ne seleke no o ja ne seleke kene na bato Baseki ya egbe ma be oko ni egbe ma be oko abato baze wa hia ni boy ne wa ya we to base ki mosto mo je ba ni ne ro la yo wa ma ka we no ege na no wa ta gbeli la video wa no wa go base ki go re ke no ri gbere go so egbe ege ni me na be hia ni na ta we wa vere o ne be so egbova na be si won be ati your baseki the line is busy ati your baseki the line is switch off ati your baseki is not reachable arize iyamu available no oveno oshomole no ya maso baseki ogbewe yenwe mata mawe no mageti okoni alive life agbero or whatever no ya maso baseki no wa mu yo na iso bread the breast. This is just the beginning. No dear church yavu tornado. Iya weto iwa kame yawo iwa mawa we the COVID-19 testing. Omo na ile 70 years uyari olodene olala emu wa uwe ni anani akin. Wa uwe tu wa yobo no tornado eni ropa yobo is always useless. Eni ropa yobo at all. Severe aje ni aje. They are living peacefully. Wa when are your bag Europe bi go no area ya live life. And that is what I am saying. The maka we saga insult no agege gba pota wa oga insult money ya ka na saga yi ni here. Eba ya ni we saga insult o ya insult. Insult ya ga insult. Ema ya ni we saga insult ya ga. Wa go ni bale mi mu yere. So, see fish when I want fry. I want to use this fish. All this fish. Now I want to chop waiting and want chop. Listen. I want fry them. So, they're plenty. You know, see there. I want fry all of them. See. So, I want fry all so that I'll use eat waiting and want eat. So, emi ni ayelo. So, no vie donner wagre. Waga voti no baseki. Ha, when you said that, claro di. Agba. Unaju kagbuko o. Unaju kagbuko o. Unaju kagbuko o. Iunu yayata. Ne era na etoni kabaka ya masaba to baze to gbewe nyewe man wa gwa bato baze wa threatening dandore ni age la tornado na me go tornado go abato baze na mwa khenike na mwa kedowe so wa bo basekini edowe ya kan mwa khenike because egeni ado ya ti result enewe oga iganyo basu wakwane kene pastor ina vedo sola dia ekene pastor ina vedo ko baseki gun we mere it is getting out of hand in the land of Benin ekene pastor Kesi na vedo go baseki vedo gun no la owo e church mama mi ni asi e coronavirus ires o tornado no la owo no si vie church ya bekun no ya dolu poji no dolo ri omo jori omo ema we are miodorium na lari ugo. It is so bread the breske. O file the road ya ye wibaro ya file sandy yo e o denala you go. Wari wa kopakin o deni ro panomairo aberiani we agberabe wa ti akebe si pese o deni me ma akebe se abegbera pe ne go dawo the setting o deni ro pa ma abaseki ma ya dolo dori omoji ona we nwene covid-19 omuyi wa ma we ni anene akin governor abaseki ma send wa bebe na eri oga wa mi ro pa dolo yi 4 years igbagba kan next time wa be are you demo e mo ave gun akere wa are you demo wa ga vote ne wa want to wa vote wa ga vote ne wa want to wa vote ye de ban abi ju wa sun asolo ban abi ju wa vote tornado iyan sun asolo ban ani e sun asolo ne ni megewe nu wa ya do e I governor ma se vote tornado danu wa ya mo ba se ki yo ni imi ma wa donate go aya we mi yo tornado o ma se ba se ki nu wa ya mu yi ba o ma sa ba se ki nu wa ya mu yi ba no everybody is running a basket wa kin iya kin nya lo gbe nya le wo tornado is that a life me remember me kesi na be agun pastor Hosa ma sopo no wete be gun ni ma sopo wa ya ike when e kesi ke ya because we pastor kesi me we be aye ike you everyone must vote for Obaseki panka awa gba panka awa we na panka ina wo ko me na age dando ge pe me to go me na la bi u ga pa ni dia me ma si etamu wa we no wa vote ni wo wa vote ni be ready for the dance asoboye gbe wa asoboye gbe wa hey asoboye gbe wa oko me ma dede aga tenene me wa ti e kwa o ma bi doze du na ni wa hewe ona juko e kuko me aba be file kwa kere e ko la bi o ga pa ni dia e ko la o e ga ni na atan mo wa we he o water na wa ye aye mere aye